Hello everyone, we're out here at Fraser Dante Classic Cars in Roswell, Georgia, showing you a 65 Mustang convertible with GT equipment in the rare vintage burgundy exterior color. This car was born in San Jose, California as a C-code 2-barrel single exhaust car. It has now been restored to its A-code specs, which means it now has the dual exhaust 4-barrel carburetor. Keep in mind this car only has 610 miles on the completely rebuilt, dated 289. It's a C4 automatic. We have Borgeson power steering, fully equipped, front dual line disc brakes, style steel wheels, new white wall radials. If we go to the interior, we have two-tone burgundy and white pony interior, full console, wood wheel, the new white gauges. We have the white power top and boot. Down to our exhaust, we have the Flowmaster dual H-pipe GT aluminized exhaust. This beauty has exceptional body and chassis work done, full GT lighting system. We have an extensive amount of receipts on it. Fresh prep work has just gotten finished. This gorgeous car is officially ready to go. All it needs is a new driver. Thanks for watching.